Hello everyone and welcome in our channel. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make these mini snowflakes. You can use this pattern as a Christmas tree ornament for snowflake bunting, or as me, I use this in my crochet gnome. It's a winter gnome. We have a call going on our website. You can join by the link. I will leave the link in the description box below. This is the January gnome, the winter snowflake gnome, and I will show you how to make the snowflake. So let's start. For this snowflake I'm using Bernat Premium yarn and the 4mm crochet hook. We are starting by making a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your fingers twice, insert your hook under the first wrap and pull the second one. Then yarn over and pull through the loop. Take the ring from your fingers and turn it. Chain 2 and make double crochet 2 together. We are making a cluster of 3 double crochet together, but this first starting chain 2 is counted as a double crochet. This is the first double crochet, we are not finishing it. Then make the second and yarn over, pull through. This is the first cluster, chain 2. And now we will make double crochet 3 together. The first double crochet, the second one, and the third one. We have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all of them. Chain 2 and again another cluster. The first double crochet, the second one, the third one, yarn over and pull through all of them. Chain 2, make 2 more clusters into the ring. In the end, chain 2, close your ring, and join with slip stitch on top of this double crochet 2 together. To make the snowflake even, we will slip stitch into the next chain space here. So slip stitch, and now we will make start forming the snowflake. We need to make 3 picot stitches. How to make it? Chain 3 and slip stitch into the third chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. Then again another picot, chain 3, and insert your hook into the third chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Then slip stitch into the same chain space. Chain 2, skip the cluster and slip stitch into the next chain space. And we will repeat the same with the picot stitches here. We are making 3 picot stitches, chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain from your hook. This is the first picot, chain 3 again, into the third, 3 picot stitches, slip stitch into the same chain space. Then chain 2, skip the cluster and go to the next chain space. We are making slip stitch. Repeat this till the end and you will have your snowflake. Thanks for watching. If you think this video tutorial was helpful for you, subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.